This 2013 Hyundai Accord. I will show you how to reset engine oil percentage. First of all, you turn the key, not all the way, but just to get the, okay, here you go. And then you push this button down, hold it. See, engine life right now is 15%. I just changed my oil. It should flash one, it's flash, let go, and then push it again. Okay, let's go to 100 now. You're done. You can turn on the engine and turn on again. See, 100. You're done. Here you go. So basically, you hit this button until oil life shows, and then you hold on to it until oil life flashing. Let go and hold it again until it becomes 100%, like that. Take care. Thank you.